Bryn Rafferty, and my student ID number is 3100743, and this is the fall 2016 semester. For trimming a dog's nails, it's pretty easy. You need just a couple tools, some trimmers that come in different sizes, and you also need quick stop or styptic powder, which is good for if you quick the nail or you get the vein of the nail and it starts to bleed, then you can get it to stop. Now, on the dog's nails, they can either be black or white. They're easy to see if they're white as far as where the quick is. When they're black, it's harder to see. So the easiest way is to pull the hair away from the nail and just trim a little at a time. Just trim a little at a time so that you don't get the quick. So just move the hair away and just trim a little at a time. That way you're not getting the quick of the nail. Especially with fluffy dogs. It's hard to see the nail. Come here. Just like that. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to trim a cat's nails. So first you're going to want to have some clippers. I like these ones because they're smaller and they're easier to use, but they do make them in different sizes. And you also want to have some quick stop or some styptic powder, because just in case you get the quick and it starts to bleed, this will help it to stop. It's also beneficial if you have a helper to help restrain your cat, but if not, you can kind of put your cat in the corner of your arm like she has it now. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to gently press on the foot, and it's going to bring out the nail. You're going to see that there's a little pink part, that's the quick, and you just want to trim a little bit before that. You kind of want to trim a little bit at a time, because if you need to, you can keep trimming back if you think you need more off. That way you're not quicking the nail. So you just do a little bit at a time and just trim like that. And there you go. It's easy as that. There's a couple different ways to give animals medicine. Some of the better ways to do it are to use the pill guns. You put the pill right in here and you can stick this back in their mouth and deplunge it, and that shoots the pill right down their throat. You can put it in food for them to eat it. The other way is to take the pill, put their head back, open their mouth, stick the pill down in their throat and close their mouth. You want to rub their throat on the outside to get them to swallow it. Sometimes they'll stick their tongue out, and that will tell you that they've swallowed the pill. In some instances, when you have to give medicine to a cat, one of the easiest ways is to put it in some food. If they eat around it, then you can actually just pill them. There's some tools that help you with that, which are pill guns. They come in different sizes, and you actually just stick the pill in here, and then you'll deplunge it back into their mouth. I prefer to just take my fingers on either side of their face and just open their jaw, put it in the back, and close their mouth. Their mouth so that they can swallow it, kind of rub their neck a little bit, and most of the time they'll stick their tongue out, which means they've swallowed the pill. So collecting a free catch urine is pretty simple. You always want to make sure to encourage your dog to go to the bathroom, and then you always want to have some sort of tray or ladle to catch the urine in. You want to try and get it midstream for your sample. So we're going to try and go ahead and get Franklin to go. Come on, buddy. You gotta go potty? You gotta go potty? Go ahead, go pee.
Yay!
In situations where you need more control of a muzzle of a dog, you can always do a gauze muzzle. So you take some gauze, you definitely want to be generous with the gauze. You want to make a loop with the gauze so that it crosses over the muzzle of the dog. You want to come down on top, loop down below, and come back behind the ears. An easy way to tie is to just do an easy loop tie or a slip knot. That way you have control of the muzzle when you have to do any type of procedure that you'd need that for, and then to take it off you could just easily pull and unwrap. So everyone, including your technicians and the animal, is safe.